Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural way to support your vitality, especially as you get older? What if I told you that a small change to your morning routine could make a world of difference for your overall well-being and confidence? Today, we're diving into some fascinating insights from health experts about a surprising ingredient you can add to your daily coffee. This isn't about some miracle cure, but about understanding how specific nutrients can support your body's natural functions. So, grab your favorite mug, and let's explore how to give your day and your health a powerful boost. Let's talk about blood flow. It's the superhighway of your body, delivering oxygen and essential nutrients to every single cell, from your brain down to your toes. As we age, it's natural for this system to become a little less efficient. Think of it like a city's plumbing system getting older, things just slow down. This can affect everything from your energy levels and cognitive function to, yes, your masculine health and performance. Poor circulation is often a key factor behind feeling less vigorous and energetic than you used to. But the good news is, we can actively support our circulatory health through smart lifestyle and nutritional choices. It's all about helping those pathways stay clear and open, ensuring everything runs smoothly. So, what's this special addition to your coffee we've been hinting at? It's all about harnessing the power of specific, well-researched natural compounds that are known to support healthy circulation. We're talking about ingredients like L-arginine and L-citrulline. These are amino acids that your body uses to produce nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide is a fantastic molecule. It acts as a vasodilator, which is a fancy way of saying it helps relax and widen your blood vessels. When your blood vessels are relaxed, blood can flow more freely and efficiently throughout your entire body. This improved circulation is fundamental to so many aspects of our health, including maintaining strong masculine function. Let's break down how this works. When you consume L-arginine and L-citrulline, your body converts them into nitric oxide. This process is like flipping a switch that tells your blood vessels to open up. For men, this is particularly important. Healthy blood flow is the absolute cornerstone of firm and reliable erections. By boosting nitric oxide levels, you're essentially ensuring that the delivery system is working at its best, allowing for a strong and healthy response when the moment is right. This isn't a magic trick, it's just basic human biology. Supporting your body's natural nitric oxide production is a proactive way to maintain your vitality and confidence, no matter your age. But it's not just about those two amino acids. A truly comprehensive approach involves a blend of powerful nature-derived ingredients. Think about potent antioxidants found in things like pine bark extract. Antioxidants are your body's defense team against oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessels over time. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, these compounds help protect the integrity of your entire circulatory system. When you combine the circulation-boosting effects of nitric oxide precursors with the protective power of antioxidants, you create a powerful synergy. It's like having one team to open up the highways and another team to keep them well-maintained and free from damage. Let's look at some other key players. Vitamin C is another crucial component. Not only is it a powerful antioxidant in its own right, but it also plays a vital role in recycling nitric oxide in the body, helping it last longer and work more effectively. It's also essential for building strong, flexible blood vessels. So, by including vitamin C, you're not just supporting the immediate effect of blood flow, you're also investing in the long-term health and resilience of your entire vascular system. It's about building a robust foundation for lasting health and vitality. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I get all of these ingredients into my coffee? Finding and measuring out L-arginine, L-citrulline, pine bark extract, and vitamin C every morning sounds complicated and frankly a bit of a hassle. You'd have to buy multiple different supplements and hope you're getting the right dosages and quality. That's where specially formulated blends come in. These products are designed by experts to provide a synergistic mix of these key ingredients in a simple, easy-to-use powder. You just add a scoop to your morning coffee, tea, or even a glass of water, and you're good to go. It takes the guesswork out of the equation and ensures you're getting a consistent, effective dose every single day. It's important to remember that this is one piece of a much larger puzzle. While a targeted nutritional supplement can provide significant support, it works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. This means staying active, even with just a daily walk. Movement is one of the best ways to keep your blood pumping. It also means eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods provide a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall health. Managing stress through techniques like mindfulness or hobbies you enjoy is also crucial, as chronic stress can have a negative impact on circulation and hormonal balance. Think of it this way: the supplement is like putting premium fuel in your car, but you still need to get regular oil changes and keep the tires properly inflated. A healthy lifestyle is that essential maintenance that keeps the whole system running beautifully for years to come. By combining smart supplementation with healthy habits, you're taking a holistic and powerful approach to maintaining your vitality, energy, and confidence as you age. It's about empowering yourself to feel your best, from the inside out. So, the next time you pour your morning coffee, consider what you're putting into it. Are you just getting a caffeine kick, or are you actively investing in your long-term health and vitality? By choosing to add a science-backed blend of circulation-supporting nutrients, you're turning your daily ritual into a powerful act of self-care. You're giving your body the tools it needs to maintain healthy blood flow, which is the key to feeling energetic, confident, and capable, whether you're 40, 60, or 80. It's a simple change that can lead to profound benefits. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on living a healthy, vibrant life. Stay well, and we'll see you in the next video.